This is Cargenta Brain. It is the ultimate piece of technology that connects your car with your phone. We worked hard to integrate the latest automotive innovations and created a fantastic smart device for every car owner. Now you can track your car in real time, perform health diagnostics, get help on repairs, and secure your car like never before. Here's how easy it is to use. First, plug the Brain into your car's OBD port. All cars built after 1996 have one. Then, download our app from the App Store or Google Play and add your Brain device by scanning the QR code. Unlike other OBD products that only use Bluetooth, Cargenta Brain connects directly to the internet. Once connected, your car will immediately be located on the map thanks to an integrated high-precision GPS module. It converts the Brain into an amazing anti-theft and tracking device. It sends an instant message if the engine starts, if the car is moving, or if it's been towed. And if your car ever goes missing, you can easily track its exact location. This is also useful if your friends and family drive your car and you need to know where they are or what they do. You can create notifications and alerts in case your car leaves or enters a certain area, or if it's speeding. The Brain also transmits all car data live to your phone. You will know if the engine is running, the current speed, fuel level, RPMs, and all available temperature and sensor readings. All data is recorded and conveniently available in reports, so you can keep track of your car's status and performance over time. Of course, you have the option to control what information is saved. If you don't want your location or speed recorded, simply switch those settings off. The Brain has a built-in battery. If someone disconnects it from the car, you'll receive an instant notification and the Brain will continue to send its coordinates for up to an hour. Nothing is more important than your safety. That's why Cargenta Brain is designed to detect accidents and car problems and send a notification to your emergency contacts. Have you ever seen a light like this on your dashboard and not been sure exactly what it means? Now, Cargenta Brain shows you a detailed description of the issue and how serious it is. The Brain also monitors your car's health in the background in real time and will notify you immediately if something is wrong, long before your check engine light comes on. You can also manually scan the car for problems whenever you like, just as a real mechanic would do. If a problem is detected, the app displays the problem code, an explanation of what it means, and a list with possible solutions when available. You can even erase the fault codes directly from your phone, which would normally cost you up to $100 if done by a mechanic. And of course, the Brain will remind you about important car maintenance coming up, with the service history conveniently stored in the app. The Brain works great with iPhone, Samsung, and Android phones. It requires no maintenance, and because we want to give you an unlimited live connection to your car, each Brain comes with free internet. The Brain is even designed to receive software updates over the air. That way, whenever we release an exciting new feature like remote car control or roadside assistance, you will be the first to get it. We started Cargenta Brain to revolutionize the way we interact with our cars, making people's lives simpler, safer, and even a bit more exciting. Our quest working on this fantastic project is nearly complete. Now we are on Kickstarter because we need your support. You are the last missing piece of the puzzle. Join our amazing community of supporters and help us reshape the future of car ownership. This is Cargenta Brain.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.